course, has their honoraria plus other expenditures. Now, speaker bureaus or speaker programs are much more common in the pharma world. I know that we have some members that are from the medical device world as well. So meeting planning vendors can manage your medical device training programs or cadaver training programs. It's okay. This is not a real cadaver. That's a synthetic cadaver. But in these cases, it's also very different where there may be meal involved. It can be a portion of a day. It could be a full day. It could be an on-site visit for longer than just one day. But typically, the physicians themselves are going for their training. There may or may not be honoraria involved, may or may not be reimbursement for travel. And then, of course, you have just your typical business dinner. We have seen appreciation dinners where you might have key opinion leaders or other customers that are brought together at a conference or another sort of venue where it's just a dinner and does not necessarily have some sort of educational value. It's just an organized event. So these are just some examples of what we have seen meeting planning vendors be responsible for. And so it's really important for you to be aware of these types of activities that may be going on within your organization. Obviously, the bulk of the data and the bulk of the activity is usually on the commercial side. We see some on the clinical side, and then very sporadically in other departments. So when I'm speaking to you about our experiences, we're talking about not only our experience as Bullseye Innovations and reviewing, monitoring, reconciling